Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Also here we probably still deal with this flat pattern and like on many other crypto charts as well. Assumption currently is that we rallied in a wave 1 of the December lows, and we put in place this wave 2 correction, which unfolds as a flat pattern: A wave, B wave, C wave. This is ideally nearly finished, the C wave. It's pretty full now. I can count 5 waves down in the C wave. If it continues to go any lower, 3.6 and then 3.35 cents are relevant support. Ideally, it doesn't break below 3.35 cents because that would make the current setup, the current long setup here, very, very unreliable and unlikely, because we do not want any wave 2, and the idea is that this would be a wave 2, which is currently coming down here, any wave 2 to break below the 78.6 retracement. A wick is okay, but a sustained break below it, which means a break and and consolidation below it are not what we want to see. Yeah, so this ABC correction ideally is nearly finished. As I said, we can count 5 waves complete to the downside already. Yeah, and we had 1, 2, 3, then here the 4 is a flat, and now the wave 5 down. That could still squiggle a little bit lower, no problem. But again, the support areas are known, and the first indication that this downtrend is over would be obtained above 4.2 cents. If we break above this wave 4 high, would be a very first indication. We can see that the downtrend is already slowing down a little bit. We might even start to see here something like a descending wedge emerge on the chart. It's a bit speculative at this stage, but you often see that towards the end of such a downtrend in a wave 5, you often see those descending wedges. We can see on the 4-hour chart even, yeah, a bit of a bullish divergence, right? So we had a lower low on the price chart, but a higher low on the relative strength index on the 4-hour and on the MACD as well. You can see the MACD line makes a higher low, whereas price making a lower low. And yeah, on the 1-hour chart, how does that look? Here we don't really, do we have a bullish divergence? No, but we have a double bottom basically on the RSI and a lower low on the price chart. So that still shows that a reversal could be coming and that the momentum of the downtrend is slowing down a little. So it doesn't mean we have bottomed yet, and I gave you the key support levels, but it means that it is worth watching right now. The same way as this ascending broadening wedge typically breaks to the downside, and it did, a descending wedge typically would expect to the upside, would be expected to break to the upside, but it's never guaranteed. Yeah, so with a pattern like that, you normally want to see a breakout before making a decision, right? And yeah, but all I can tell you is it looks like a corrective structure to the downside, and it looks like downside momentum is slowing down. We are now deep in support. Reward to risk ratio from here is quite favorable, but just be aware of the key invalidation and breakout points. If we break below 3.35 cents, then we have one more chance in a bullish scenario to find support, and that support area would be 2.57 cents down here. Already below 3.35 cents, I would get more concerned about new bear market lows. Below 2.57 cents, yeah, I don't really see a clear bullish setup any longer. Okay, hopefully you liked the update about GALA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.